Hello everyone, it's your girl Exotica. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I get my little garden ready for planting. Stay tuned. Okay, so I've already mixed all my things that I need to fertilize my soil in this little bucket, and I'll show you exactly what I put in there. Put 1 cup of blood meal, 1 cup of bone meal, and 1 cup of just multi-purpose Miracle-Gro. And also, if you look inside, I added some crushed eggshells. Okay. So this here is a 4x4 garden bed, and basically you just take this mixture, you spread it evenly throughout the whole garden bed, and then you're ready to plant your vegetables and your fruits or whatever you want. I just have my little cup here, and this is what I'm going to use to spread my fertilizer all over my soil. So once your fertilizer is spread evenly throughout the bed, you get a little rake and you work it into the soil. And there you go. Now I'm gonna plant some vegetables. I got some 2 different types of tomatoes, 2 different types of peppers. So I will be back. So I planted my 2 pepper plants in the front, my 2 tomato plants in the back. And yeah, in about a couple of weeks, I'll do a follow-up video so you guys can check out the progress. So guys, if this video was helpful, like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.